Question. You are leading a project that is falling behind schedule. To bring the project back on track, you decide to fast-track some activities. What is the key risk of this approach? Is it A. Activities may exceed the budget. B. It can lead to resource burnout. C. May introduce rework due to overlap. Or D. Will improve team motivation. The correct answer is C. The key risk of fast-tracking is that it may introduce rework due to overlap. Here is the explanation. Fast-tracking is a schedule compression technique where activities are performed in parallel instead of sequentially. This often introduces a risk of rework because tasks may not have complete inputs or predecessor deliverables in place. Question. While reviewing the procurement process, you identify a mismatch between contract terms and project requirements. What should you do next? Is it A. Escalate immediately to sponsor. B. Update project charter. C. Update the procurement management plan. Or D. Initiate a change request. The correct answer is C. Update the procurement management plan. If contract terms do not align with project needs, the procurement management plan should be reviewed and updated. Doing so ensures that procurement activities fully support the project's goals and avoids future disputes. Question. A deliverable has been completed, but the client refuses to accept it, stating it doesn't meet the specifications. What should the project manager do next? Is it A. Start change request for new specs. B. Escalate to project sponsor. C. Review the scope baseline with the client. Or D. Terminate the deliverable and restart. The correct answer is C. Review the scope baseline with the client. Here is the explanation. When a client disputes the quality of a deliverable, it is essential to compare it against the scope baseline. This ensures that decisions are based on agreed-upon requirements rather than shifting expectations. Question. A project team is reviewing stakeholder engagement levels. They notice that a key stakeholder is resistant. What should the project manager do first? Is it A. Reassign the stakeholder to another team. B. Ignore unless stakeholder blocks progress. C. Use power influence grid to remove them. Or D. Meet to understand and address concerns. The correct answer is D. Meet to understand and address concerns. Here is the explanation. The first step in addressing a resistant stakeholder is to understand their concerns and expectations. By engaging with the stakeholder early and respectfully, the project manager can reduce resistance and increase collaboration. Question. You discover that several team members are unclear about their roles in an upcoming work package. What should you refer to for clarification? Is it A. Work breakdown structure. B. Resource calendars. C. Responsibility assignment matrix. Or D. Issue log. The correct answer is C. Responsibility assignment matrix. Let me explain. The Responsibility Assignment Matrix, RAM, defines who is responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed for each task. This tool helps clarify team roles, reduce misunderstandings, and ensure accountability. The Responsibility Assignment Matrix, RAM, and the RACI chart are closely related, but they are not the same. A RAM is a generic tool that shows the relationship between activities or deliverables and project team members. RACI chart is a type of RAM that uses specific roles. If this helped clarify things for you, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and drop your PMP exam-related questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and good luck.